I want to take a moment to honor your incredible journey, your unwavering dedication, and the strength of character that led you to step into the arena of politics and run for the prestigious position of president. Although the final outcome may not have been what you had hoped for, I want you to know that your efforts were not in vain. The path you chose was one of courage and conviction, and it takes a special kind of leader to stand up and fight for their beliefs, even in the face of uncertainty. Throughout your campaign, you demonstrated resilience, perseverance, and a deep love for your country and its people. Your commitment to public service and your vision for a brighter future have left a lasting impact on the hearts and minds of many. It is often said that defeat is not the end, but a stepping stone to greater heights. Your journey as a presidential candidate has only just begun, and there are countless opportunities ahead of you to make a difference and continue serving your nation.
Though the road to success may be long and arduous, remember that history is filled with tales of leaders who faced setbacks before achieving greatness. Abraham Lincoln, one of America's most revered presidents, experienced numerous defeats before finally reaching the pinnacle of leadership. His story reminds us that failure is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to our strength and resilience. In times of disappointment, it's essential to surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, and advisors who believe in your potential and the positive impact you can make. Lean on their wisdom and encouragement as you reflect on the lessons learned from this campaign. Every challenge you encountered on this journey has provided invaluable insights and experiences that will shape your future endeavors. Embrace the lessons and use them as stepping stones toward your next venture. Remember that leadership is not solely defined by titles or positions, but by the impact you have on the lives of others. Your campaign brought critical issues to the forefront of public discourse and sparked conversations that will drive change for years to come. Your efforts have ignited a flame of hope and inspiration in the hearts of countless individuals who now believe that they, too, can make a difference.
While the path forward may be uncertain, trust in your vision and the passion that fueled your presidential bid. There are many ways to continue your journey as a leader and advocate for positive change. Whether through public service, grassroots initiatives, or other avenues, your voice and dedication can continue to shape the course of history. Lastly, be kind to yourself during this time of reflection. Acknowledge your emotions and allow yourself to grieve the loss while also celebrating the courage it took to take on this monumental challenge. Your journey as a presidential candidate may have come to a close, but your journey as a leader has just begun. The world needs individuals like you with the audacity to dream, the courage to act, and the heart to serve. As you navigate the road ahead, may you find strength in the knowledge that your efforts were not in vain. Your dedication to a better future has left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of your fellow citizens.